Yo, before the video start, like I said, before the video start, after this video, you guys will no longer have to buy a course. And yeah, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make a browse user account. Next thing you want to do is you can come over to the site. It's called SMAILPro.com, and then you come over to a last password, a generator. The next thing you want to do is go over to the site. And like I said, guys, don't make shit hard, bro. You guys, I know you guys like to overcomplicate shit and over comprehend shit. I try to make things easier for y'all. So yeah, all right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm now gonna come over to my channel. So this right here is my channel DNA data. What I'm gonna do is download this. So you guys DNA data might be different. You go over to this video right here. You go over to my last video on my channel, to my video right there, and you'll see how to basically find out what your channel DNA is. So I basically put an MCP in the description. So go over to this video right here, and I don't care about the views. Fuck the views. The knowledge is inside the video. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to actually get the views. The views is your Faceless channel really bring you the views. It's coaching shit right here. I don't get the views from this. I don't get views from coaching. And yeah, you're not supposed to really make as much money from coaching. The real money comes from the actual Faceless channels. But yeah, so next thing what I'm going to do, and I said I'm not going to make this hard for y'all. I'm not going to overcomplicate this. I'm going to make this as easier as I can make it. So guys, next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up to this master prompt right here. I'm going to copy this right here. It's what we just give AI. We give AI this, so AI can basically look for us the ideas. That's why. So yeah. So next thing what I'm gonna do is also I'm gonna now come back over to my Google Docs. I'm gonna go inside this file right here. So I'm gonna open inside this file. So I'm gonna go scroll up, and you guys should check it out if you guys want to. If you guys need to actually help you out. So yeah. So I'm gonna go inside this Terry's channel DNA identity stuff. Go inside the folder. All right. So now I want you to see the HTML. It's HTML was what I was using for my last stream. For my last video. So I'm going to download this. And I'm going to download this proven one right here. And yeah. Alright, so we're not going to use that. You know what? We're going to use this one right here. So this one right here is what we're going to use. So this is the real proof. And I'm going to show y'all guys of what I mean on this real proof. So this is from the last video right here. You can see that this is a proven idea. You're going to see we want to look for smaller channels basically winning. Not bigger channels, not channels with over 1 million. Smaller channels under 100K subscribers. Under 100K. They can't have more than 100K. If they have more than 100K, we ignore it. We find a new channel. But yeah. So what I'm going to do is, you can see basically that it keeps right 1 of 4 title from us. You see right here, so we scroll down. You can see right here, 1K right here and 200,000 views. This pulled at least, so we can see it. It pulled 94,000 times what the channel averages. So that's called an outlier. A high performing video that the viewers want to see like today. So that's what we're looking for. So like I said, after this video, guys, you guys will no longer have to watch the guru videos. You should be done watching the gurus. They're all wasting time. Those fuckers waste my time for years. They don't help me out. They don't help me out. They laugh at me. They're worst ones to work with. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is go to this. I'm going to open this up right here. I'm going to go to methodology. I'm going to now just download this. And this methodology is, so look, this is how I basically see. So I want to show you. So how the data was collected was and verified. So every view count, every data. So what it basically did was, it said, I drove a Chrome browse via Chrome dev protocol tools right here. So the browse ran a cloud machine was visible on a cloud chat live right here preview. So to extract the data, structure data. So what it basically did was it navigated and it pulled all the data like from subscriber accounts, the views, but from smaller channels, and you can see it went through this QR. So for the long so 20 plus searchable unique search queries right here on YouTube. Alright, search queries on YouTube. So let me go to mute Discord real quick. Alright, search queries on YouTube. YouTube then opened up the top 20 results from the search queries right here. Total candidates video identified to 250 plus of those top 50 right here. So it went through all the search terms and it basically went through the keywords, and this is what it basically found. So you see, for my last niche right here, this basically found the raw data sample of verified view counts. So yeah, so 50 plus videos right here. So you see 100,000 views, and this is what smaller channels. What we looking for? We don't want to look for one over a year. It got to be less than 6 months. So if it's less than 6 months, and that's what we looking for. We looking for great topic idea. That's what we're looking for. So that's what we're gonna do for the hidden assist channel. And like I said, we mainly don't no longer have to do this. No longer have to go through YouTube searching keywords. We now have browse use, and browse use save us time. So look, you see 13.9K, 100,000 views right here. I'm gonna let it play. You see, there's no playing with it.
Thousands of them. Briggs and Stratton bought it. That motor wheel brought them back to their creations.
You see 3.2 times outlier. So if you go to the first 24 hours, you can see the first 24 hours, he literally had none of these views. He was stuck at least 299 views.
Eventually, P Global Ratings warned of an increasing likelihood of default or restructuring. Then COVID-19 hit. Lawnmower sales collapsed. Debt payment.
You see, these are all images and videos. All images and videos. No horror editing is being put into it. We go to open the channel up. You see, so yeah, so like I said, when you see this, that means that the core idea is what made these views come in. So the core idea is doing all the work. So what I mean by core idea, I mean core idea. The core idea, yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all what I mean by core idea. So the core idea loosely sits between, this is the whole topic itself, the topic idea. But yeah, so you can see 87 videos. We go to, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for something that's already working. We're not reinventing nothing. So yeah, you see right here, unseen history, 87 videos. And you see right here, if we scroll down, we go to most popular right here. You can see most popular. He has about 100,000 views. And yeah, we're looking for consistent views. Like, this is really how you win. So when you do great niche research, it's really how you win. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to basically come back over to that folder. I'm going to go to that methodology folder, whatever that folder was. All right, so I'm going to basically go over there. And like I said, you guys no longer got to watch none of these gurus. Y'all have this. So yeah, so I'm going to save this right here. And I'm going to just say, for example. So use these files right here, for example. Yeah, so I'm going to go to this. And I'm going to basically attach that there. And I'm also going to open up this other one. All right, so what I'm going to do is come to the top. And I'm going to just use, so what I'm going to just use today is use ChatGPT. So I'm going to come up ChatGPT. So, so what I want you to do is, I want you to use my hidden assist one, but use the other ones for examples. I need you to make my actual HTML file just like the other ones for examples, but put all the data you find. Like, I need you to do some deep research. So I need you to go through YouTube, send me the URLs, and send me the competitors' titles, and then send me the new titles too. You can put in separate URLs, wherever. But I want to see the proven views, the subscriber count, and everything. Like, pull all the data. But yeah, so I need you to do the data, and yeah, use my hidden assist one. My hidden assist file is the actual niche we're doing. The other ones are, for example, so you can basically know how to like do the HTML, because this is what I already use in my other chats with you. I'm just basically telling you, for example, of how you can make the HTML. So we're just doing it for example. Well, yeah. All right, yeah. So it's okay to use other files, for example. So we're using our other files that we already use, for example. That way we train it. So it is okay to do that, chat. We're basically training it. So we're gonna basically do is hit enter, and what we're now going to do is go through the YouTube data and get all this data ready. So yeah, so it's going to now put it all together. So we gave it the prompt. It's going to go to YouTube. It's going to start doing this data thing. Start doing all of this competitor research of the analysts of the YouTube data. And yeah, it's going to basically do the analysis of the YouTube data. It's going to use, we're using this prompt basically to find topic ideas that's on smaller channels basically getting high views than what they never got before that aligns with basically with our post. So that's the only thing we're basically doing. So I'm also now come over to this again, and I'm gonna just talk to her. So I'm gonna delete, and I'm gonna just talk to her. All right. So what I basically want you to do is I want you to find me great topic ideas on smaller channels winning. It can't be over 6 months, and it gotta be less than 6 months, and it can't be over 100K subscribers. It gotta be less than 100K subscribers, and it gotta align with my pillars, with my channel DNA file of my hidden assist data. All right, so what I'm gonna now do is just go over to this right here. I'm gonna just copy this. So I'm gonna say to my hidden assets data, hidden assets. So hidden assets is what I call it. But yeah, all right. So we want to go to over there, and we just now want to paste this. So we want to paste this, and what I'm going to do is hit this enter. So what I'm going to do is hit this enter, and what it's going to do is it's going to look at my hidden assets channel. It's going to scan through the data. It's going to scan through it, get out everything it's going to do. AI is really good at doing the analysis. AI is really good at pulling the ideas. AI is basically going to pull the data on our channel and go through YouTube and try to find this topic ideas like that. Topic ideas that align with our pillars, that align with our 1 of 4 permanent pillars, and yeah. So and our 1 of 4 title format. So yeah. Alright, so you already know for each idea to use. I have 1 of 4 formulas already in that HTML file. 1 of 4 pillars. You already know you're gonna pull one of my pillars, and you're gonna select one and put the You're gonna basically bring the title to a new angle or whatever. You know what to do with it. But yeah, but show me proof. Show me the before and after. I want to see the competitor title and the views, and I want to see the new angle and lines, and then tell me like the pillar you use and the formula you use and the angle, and yeah. So what this is going to basically do is it's going to help us out. So we basically train AI, and we give it this. So we're not overcomplicating stuff, and I told you we're not making stuff hard. I'm not overcomplicating things. This is going to make it a bit easier. You can use the method for shorts, long form. Like I said, all the old days with the coaches and the gurus, those days are done. So they wasted our time for years. They didn't never want to see us win. They didn't want to see you guys win. They didn't want to see me win. So yeah. So like I said, we now have this method, and it's basically going through the keywords and searching through YouTube, the data, and it's searching through the keywords to find this great topic ideas that would have probably saved us hours, saved us months. Browse users able to do that. Browse users able to go through there and save this hours of like having to stress, look for ideas, having to take the time out. We just use that simple prompt and we give it our channel DNA, and it goes through all the data, and it's going to basically extract all this data to an HTML file. And we go to the HTML file, and it's going to tell us the views of what it's extracted from, and a new angle and a new transformative title that it brought it to. So yeah. So like I said, I'm not here to overcomplicate things, chat. I'm here to make it as easier for y'all, bro. And y'all know that. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is basically paste this here, and I'm gonna just give this let me give it to us. So this is got it from the channel DNA. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna basically put all of it over here. So it's gonna put all of it over. It's gonna basically it's gonna say outputs. We uploads right here is when we upload it. When it's fully done doing doing research, we're gonna see a folder come up that says outputs. Outputs will be where data where it basically already it gained it. So it gained it, and then it did its research and it's done. Yeah. So we just wait for it now. It's searching and it's doing its data. It's looking through YouTube. It's looking through outliers, top performing videos that align with our pillars, and top performing videos that align with our angles. So yeah. So like I said, guys, it's great to do this. And yeah, you see 33 million right here 1 year ago, and I believe that's a smaller channel really doing that. But yeah, so it's a small channel, but yeah, treasure hunters right here. I'm pretty sure this is a small channel, but yeah, like I said, browse use is really good at what it does. It's going through all the data. It's searching through the keywords. It's searching through keywords that align with our pillars, and yeah, so keywords that align with our pillars, and yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna have it do is basically now show us the all right, so for all the keywords you basically use for this, I want you to, when you do the HTML file, put all the keywords onto the HTML file along with the so tell me which pillars these keywords came from. So that way it makes things a bit easier so I can understand it. So I can see it and know that keyword aligned it with my channel. So that way I know that you're not guessing. We have a proven proof and proof that you're doing the right thing. Alright, so what I like to do is just tell AI like show me basically proof like of when it's done. Like what it's going to do is basically show us proof of when it's basically done. Of like for the keywords, it's going to put on the HTML file like of all the keywords it use. So when it's basically going through the pillars, finding ideas. So yeah, so like I said, AI's really good at that. AI's smart at that. It saved us hours. It saved us years. So yeah, so like I said, guys, AI thanks to browse use. This way I thought of this idea in my head. I thought this idea in my head, and I posted on YouTube and said, you know what? Instead of me spending hours, we could just make a prompt, and we could try to find an AI tool that has a virtual laptop computer that could search through all the YouTube data and use our pillars though to find us ideas, and it could then extract it to the HTML. That way, it saved me hours. It saved me hours after stressing. So that way, I have proof that it went viral on a small channel, and I have proof that it brought it to a new angle. It's going to basically tell me the pillar to use, my title formula. It saved me hours doing it. So, guys, like I said, this is the best way to do it. This is the way I'm going to be mostly using, and the video, once I post this on my main channel, stand up. So, go ahead and hop on this method. I hop on it wisely. There's no way better method than this. The coaches, the gurus are basically mad of everything I'm doing. They don't even want to see me win. They don't want to see me win. And yeah, so like I said, we all get wins over here. And you know, guys, I'm gonna show you guys proof again that I do own hidden assets. So I'm gonna go over again and open it up and show you proof. So what it's doing is it's getting us ideas for hidden assets. So this channel basically right here. So I'm gonna open it up. Alright, so guys, just ignore that. There was other niches, and yeah, there was other niches. Just ignore that. Alright, so what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna go to switch accounts, and I'm basically gonna go over to. So I can use this video for my tennis channel, any channel I have. So like I said, after this video, you no longer gotta watch a guru video. So if you was watching coaches videos in the past for ideas and you don't need our editing. You don't need our editing. If you're still trying to put our editing to your videos, bro, then go ahead and try. I mean, you're wasting time, and yeah, time is everything. So yeah, you don't need our editing. You don't need our. You give a niche 30 to 60 videos in, and that's when you decide if the niche is good. A niche takes data 30 to 60 videos, so you can use this method over and over and over and over and over and over and repeat. And yeah, so I'm also opening this studio up over here. And you see channel dashboard. We go over to, you can see I'm in hidden assets. I go to analytics right here. So I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna basically open it up and show y'all proof that this is real. This is real. I'm gonna show y'all literally the time. You see July 26 right here, 2026. Is everything I'm showing you is real. Everything I'm showing you is real. All these right here, you can see 84 monthly. So yeah, so you wanna make sure that all these right here are basically coming. So let me show you. So you want to make sure that these are 90% new viewers. You don't want to use casual, regular. That means that it's coming from the actual channel. You want to have new viewers. So new viewers for shorts. But yeah, so and this is proof. And reach, you can see reach. You can see reach, everything over here. So and I can show you out from the first 25. So yeah, so like I said, what this is going to do is made things a bit easier. I'm gonna show you out first 24 hours. This short literally went up. It took it at least, so if we're gonna see more, and also if you want to see like where the views are basically stand at, so if we go to detail, alright, so. Alright, so yeah, so what I'm gonna do is basically come in detail. Alright, so yeah, I don't have those features yet. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna just go over there and I'm gonna show y'all lifetime. So if you guys want to see where basically the views started at right here, views it started from nowhere. So like I said, get started. I go to first 24 hours and start it up like this. So it went from at least, I'm going to scroll up and zoom up and show you. Control plus. And you see that it started from 3 views. First 3 minutes, it goes up. And it took at least, we left 24 hours and 1K views. So 1K views in 23 hours. So sometimes YouTube needs some time. And then first 7 days, it continue to go up. So you can see where it continue to go up, continue to gain views. But yeah. So I'm going to also go over there and show y'all first 7 days. So I'm going to go to first 7 days right here. And still continue to gain views. And yeah. So I'm going to go to first 300, yeah. So that way you guys can see that it went up. And yeah. So, yeah. So I'm going to now show y'all since lifetime right here. You see? So we started at least this. We started from first day. It took it at least 2 days to get to 4K. 3 days to get to 8K. So the 25th day is at 100K. So like I said, it usually takes you. So if you think your video did good, the 25th day, 30th day, you know that did good. So yeah, sometimes YouTube needs some time, and some YouTube basically retested it out. So you see, a 95% stayed to watch, a 4% right away. The core idea did it. So yeah, so the core idea is what did it, and that's what I'm basically showing y'all. So if you are trying to work hard and put as much hard work and try to overkill yourself to make the video, you're overcomplicating it. You need a great topic idea, and this is what I'm showing y'all. I'm showing you how to get great topic ideas and how to not like overwhelm yourself. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is go over file. So it's not uploaded yet. So it's still doing this data. It's searching through the YouTube data to find this, a great topic idea, like proof that it's going viral on a small channel. So I mainly do not have to go through YouTube no more to search through keywords to find ideas, because I know how hard consuming it was, and y'all are still in the middle of scaling. I know everything is like time consuming. When you're doing keywords, looking through that's everything. That's the time. Time is being taken up. So what this prompt does, it saves hours without having to do that. All we just do is load this prompt and use browse use. And what browse use does is it goes to all the metadata, all the data from YouTube, and it gathers it and puts it on the HTML. We could just get that HTML, basically Gemini, and we could just copy. We could copy that title and use that for the day, and just copy the title, give that title to Gemini, and also what we could basically do is also what I'm gonna actually show y'all too is I'm gonna show y'all how to basically add a prompt. So delete. Alright, so can you basically also add a prompt to the HTML? So I need the prompt to be always so on my HTML hidden assets file. I basically have my script structure. I need you to add a script prompt for basically Gemini, and when my script structure on it, so Gemini knows that it searches through articles, Google, and it gets through real data. Basically, so when I bring it a title, it could basically give me the script, but the script has to be high quality, and it has to match with my structure. And it has to use my 1 of 4 repeatable hook types that's in the file. It can't reinvent the wheel. Alright, so what I'm basically going to do is just also copy and paste this over here. I'm going to just give this, and if you guys want to, just screenshot the screen and copy and paste it over. So if you need copy, or you could talk to AI, and yeah. So just screenshot the screen and give it to that. But yeah. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is wait for this to all load, and yeah. I'm gonna just now refresh, and it's gonna do its thing. And I'm gonna just go back, and I'm gonna just go do Control V. So it saved us hours without having to go through keywords, guessing. We have proof. It's literally saved us hours. So yeah, chat. So what I'm gonna do is basically come over here. I'm basically gonna now Control V this. So I'm gonna Control V enter, and that's all. So what it's gonna do is finish doing its job. So you see, new briefly small channels right here, only under 100K uploads, less than 6 months old, after January 27th, 2026, running the sweet receive filter. So it's going through all the like filters, and that's what I love about AI. So guys, this saved us hours without you having to get a headache, having to find ideas. Bro, this is your old method. So like I said, this ChatGPT link will be in the description where you could smoothly check it out at. And also, yeah. So also all the HTMLs will be in over here, so we could check it out at. It will be on this link over here. So what I'm basically going to do is go ahead and make a new folder just so I could give out HTML. So if I want to use it, for example, hidden assets, HTML for ideation sauce. Alright, so I'm going to just make a new folder, and I'm going to just put everything in the folder. Alright, so you can see 86 of your views to 30 more smart. And yeah, so you can see, so 82. We go to first 24 hours, you can see right here. So 3K engaged views. So yeah, so like I said, it usually takes, so y'all won't notice until a video goes viral, until at least, sometimes it takes, so first 24 hours, if your swipe to rate is basically looking at 82 state to watch and 17 missions right away, your video is bound to keep getting pushed. So your hook basically worked. So if we got to see more, for this part right here, that means that the hook works. So up to 29 seconds right here, that means that the hook works. So whatever the words was, our hook basically works. So if we can basically go up, we go over to video clips. We go to video clips. We go over to here. We smoothly go up to we show this timeline. We move this up to 29 seconds. This part right here is what works. So we go over here to inside. So wherever inside is at, let's go over. Let's scroll over. So let's keep finding it. Yeah. So wherever the inside is at, that's the part of our hook will make this video viral. So yeah. So like I said, your hooks really matter, and your hooks play a big role in success. So you see right here, this part right here. Does you know why most people who find treasure? So yeah. So you see right here. This part of the hook is what works. So all you just do is when you have a viral hook, you give it back over to Gemini, and Gemini is going to make you a script with this working hook. But yeah, so that's really how you go viral. So you go viral again and again and again. It's called repeatable hook types. You want to have 1 to 4 permanent repeatable hook types. That's really how you win. So, and I showed you how to get your channel DNA, guys. I'm not here to overcomplicate the game. I'm not here to overcomplicate you. I'm not here to over beat you up about it. I'm here to actually make sure I get wins. So on this channel, I don't know about what y'all learn on other coaches' channels or the other gurus. You're learning how to get wins over here. I don't know what they're teaching you. I don't know what they're teaching you. I know what I'm teaching you though. So you see, 89 state to watch and 11 business right away. So 82 the views still at 30 more S mark. So we go right here. We go to this part right here. We see allow. So we go over to our editor's mode. You can see that our hook. We go to our script, and we can basically see from the hook. So we start off with most people. You see, the other one did most people. So most people right here. So we go to the part where it says allow. So this part right here is this hook. This will work. This will make the video viral. So these are parts right here. Is the only parts that really matter. All these other parts we don't care about. The only thing right here is we care about is this. So if you're having a detail. So if you're having a detail where you're making a 1 minute 28 second short, the only thing you care about is the first 30 seconds. If you can't keep them going longer for the first, nothing else matters. Only thing YouTube looks at is the first 30 seconds, and then these parts right here matter. But yeah, so if you keep them going longer, yeah. But the first 30 seconds for 1 minute shorts, first 30 seconds is the only thing that really matters. That makes a viral short. And like I said, longer shorts is way better because you can see the attention grab better where the views are basically standing. Yeah. So like I said, you can't see that for 51 second short. So if we go to 51 second short analytics, you can't basically see that. So all you could just see is like the retention graph over there. So you see right here where they stayed at. But yeah, so longer shorts do the job, and yeah, longer shorts is like the real way. And yeah, so longer shorts, what I mean by longer shorts, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and yeah. And YouTube sees if you could keep them on the longest, YouTube would keep pushing your video over and over and over again. But yeah, so YouTube just don't. And you see the patterns, but most people valuable things, the most valuable things with different angles, the hidden future. So 1 to 4 repeatable title formats would do that. We have title formats. It's easier for you to go viral over and over and over and over again. And yeah, all you just gotta do is like come up with a topic idea. That's why it saves y'all. So this link over here basically saves y'all to where this prompt. So all you just need to know is your channel DNA, and you use this browsers over here, and it gets the job done. So it saves your address. Search and do keywords. All you just do is prompt it and give it your channel DNA file. Your channel DNA file, and then what it's gonna basically do It's going to search through all the data. So, and then, for example, if you like want to really train it well, you can come over to this link and use one of these HTMLs or use a new HTML that's going to basically give us. But like I said, guys, I'm not here to overcomplicate stuff. I'm not here to make things hard. Browser saved us a year stressing. So yeah, so y'all gonna probably see me use in my videos now. And what browsers got as a quality Optimus 5 model. So it's using the quality Optimus 5 model to actually train as well. So look, what it has is, if we open up this new agent, it has the quality Optimus 5. It has GPT 5.6, Grok 4.5, has Gemini 3.6. That's what makes it so well. It has Optimus 5 quality, and it makes it so well for us to get for us basically training to get really good ideas. So yeah. So guys, make sure you guys are using this, bro, at your wisely, because like I said, use it wisely before it do get patched, and I'm pretty sure it's never going to get patched. So yeah, so you ain't gonna worry about it getting patched. All you gotta do is basically, if you want to find more AI tools, you basically go over there, you copy the URL link, you give it to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to basically find me a similar link. Similar is what you do. You'll come over there. I'm gonna just get you out of method. Fuck it. The video stand up. It's stand up forever. It's stand up lifetime. So all you just do is come over there. You copy and paste it right here. Copy the link. Find me similar sites like this, please. Similar sites with the agent PC model like this. So if you want to like really better it too, and really make a way better process, all you could basically do is give it a screenshot of this, and you could say like the PC like this. Screenshot it like the PC like this. The PC screen. And all it's now going to do is basically pull us up the links for the PC screen. So you see we have Skyborn, we have all these links right here. We have Browse-Base, we have Stage Art. So this is all I do to basically look for more similar websites just like this for me to better my chance of going viral. So guys, you guys could do it too. And like I said, I'm not here to overcomplicate things. The ones who are actually taking action will be the ones who's winning. So yeah, bro. So like I said, yeah. So Skyburn over here works well. So what you could do is basically come over there. You can basically come to temporary. All you're just gonna do is copy this. All you're gonna do is paste this. So you just go sign up. You can just literally sign up. And YouTube, I follow guidelines, so yeah, they won't flag my video. I did know what I'm doing, educational use content, yeah. So, and I'm not promoting no hacking softwares, none of that bullshit over. We don't do that. We don't encourage that. We don't promote that or prohibit that shit over here. So yeah. So I'm also gonna create, and yeah, we don't promote or prohibit that type of activity over on this channel. I don't know our other channels, but we don't promote or prohibit that over here on this channel. It's not allowed on Google, YouTube. We'll get banned for that. Yeah. Alright, so I'm basically going to do is create a new account. This is a freshly new account. Nobody has used it, so I'm going to put the email right here. Paste this. I'm going to go to continue. Alright, so I'm going to continue. And it says this email address is already used. Creating multiple accounts with the same email address is not allowed. Alright, so if this happens, guys, just ignore it. What we just do is go to create. We could do Microsoft Premium. We go to generate right here. So what this tool is going to basically do is it's going to basically now basically give us an Outlook email, so that Outlook should work. This should work over here. So let's go back over to the site. Alright, so you guys can see that nobody uses this right here. So yeah, you can see it's there's an email where you can verify that. So yeah, so like I said, it isn't illegal. This site is fair use, free to use, where you guys could go in and check it out at. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to refresh. I'm gonna just refresh this over here. And topic ideas is how you basically go about a better chance. So you need a great topic idea, and that's what I'm showing y'all. So I'm showing y'all my whole process of me doing it for my hidden assist channel, but yeah. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just refresh this right here. So I'm just gonna sign up, and what we're just gonna do now is click sign up. So we're just gonna click sign up. We're gonna click verify, and it's gonna say now we're signed up. So guys, like I said, guys, you see right here, successfully signed up. So all we just do now is go over this as the whole PC thing. So if we want to go to new agent, we go to new agent. We could really repeat the same thing we just doing over here. So it saves us. But yeah, so if you guys want to do it, go right ahead. And there's more tools out there. But yeah, all the try to be team links and everything will be in the description. Even including this link right here, including this link right here, will be in the description where you can check it out at. So yeah, so like I said, this is how you get great topic ideas, and there's no more stressing, no more fighting, cause chaos. All you just need to know is your channel DNA data, and that's all you need to know. There's no stressing no more. We now have everything we needed. What keeps channels viral is your great topic. If your editing suck, your topic idea will carry the whole video. But yeah. Alright, so like I said, so when you see mediocre bad video with like no hard editing with a bad thumb up but pulling a lot of views, the core idea is what made that viral. The topic idea is what did that whole job itself, is what created the whole video. So yeah. Alright, so topic ideas is like the title, and yeah, AI knows. So if you have AI knows exactly how the topic ideas, how the title's supposed to be done. But yeah, but guys, like I said, this link will be also in the description where you can check it out. And yeah, so you guys see that Skyburn right here. So I want to show you how it basically works. So if we want to basically go over there, all we basically just do is all we just basically do is we drag this over here. Alright, so I'm gonna go to music. I'm gonna basically go over to music. So all we just do is drag it into here. But yeah, so guys, like I said, it saves us hours after the stress, and this is the new way we're using. So new way I found out, a new way we're all using. And I don't know if you guys are using it. You guys better hop onto the boat. It saves you time. It saves you hours of having to spend searching new keywords. And yeah, so and like I said, I'm smoothly. I'm gonna see soon. I have a 1 million view outlier. I'll probably just seen 100K views. I'm gonna have a 1 million view one soon. So it's coming. It's coming. But yeah, and like I said, guys, if you see a few flops, don't matter. Just focus on move on to the next idea. It's cool. Most flop happen. As long as you got a great topic idea, you boost your chance. So this method right here is gonna help you. So where you don't have flops. So where you don't have flops, but if you do get flops, you move on to your next topic idea. Yeah. So you just repeat this method over and over and over again. And yeah. So you don't let flops get to you. And yeah. So like I said, I'm gonna show you guys again. I'm gonna show you guys smoothly. So alright, let's go over to this music. Alright, so I'm gonna basically go over to Alright, so I'm gonna go to re-download it. And I'm gonna basically open this up. I'm gonna basically go to all. I'm gonna basically go to all. Channel DNA data. I'm gonna basically go over to I'm gonna open this up. And I'm gonna just drag this over to let's see. No, we're not gonna drag it over there. I'm gonna drag it over the desktop. Alright, so let's see if we could track down this file right here. So yeah, we can't do it. Alright, so guys, like I said, smoothly. You could go through all these agents. I'm not gonna go through more. You go through more, but yeah. So if you want more, all you basically just do is tell it to give you more, and it will give you more. So yeah, like I said, you can use method. This method is how you win, and yeah. So all you just do is go to here, right here. You type, give me more agents. So give me more links. So what I want you to do is just give me more links. Give me more agent links. Alright, so I'll be putting this right here in the description as well. And you just tell it to give me more agent links. It's gonna basically give you more agent links. So you see right here, so you can see basically we have Manius, we have a lot of these agent tools, and you can just rush and repeat the method over there. So yeah, so like I said, it's cool to use these tools. These tools are really great, and they save us hours. So I found really my first tool that I found right here. So when I was doing this one, I found this literally through the same method I'm showing y'all. So I found it through ChatGPT, and that's how I found Cloud Browse. But yeah, so like I said, guys, use it wisely. And yeah, and so I'll share this right. I'm gonna share this. This will be in the description as well. You can check this out along with these links, along with these links over here. And yeah, so what all we just do now is just wait for this to finish up. And this is now verifying each candidate right here. So on the watch page for each views, exact views, dates, subscriber count. Yeah. So what it's basically doing is it's still pulling the data in. Yeah, we just wait for it. And yeah. So like I said, this is my whole ideation process. And this is the whole process of how I'll come up with great topic ideas and how I'll basically keep getting wins. And yeah, so it's not gonna be luck no more. Like I said, everything it starts to not be luck. When you have proof that it's working on a smaller channel and it's pulling great views, like that means it's more likely gonna work for us. So proof that it fits with our category, like our title formulas and our pillars. Pillars is like how AI comes up with like category ideas. Like topic ideas in here. So the AI's trained, it knows exactly what it's supposed to do to come up with good ideas. So we scroll around. You can see right here, 19K views. 3 days ago, you see he found millions right here hitting goal. So we consider this right here as it got to be pulling more than the whole channel subscriber count itself. But we can consider this outlier. But we want to look for more views. More views. What I mean, 100K, 300K, 500K, 1 mil. 3 mil is massive. That's massive right there. So if we get a one with 1 mil on a small channel, that is a massive amount. It's called a massive amount means it's massively going viral. I mean the viewers are hungry to see this. They want to see this type of like idea for the day. So we could like post an idea about it, but it can't be over a year. It got to be recent. It can't. The channel can be over 100K subscribers. If it's over 100K subscribers, then that's not good. So you see right here, 32K. On 100K, that's proof that it's working on a smaller channel, meaning that we get the idea of that and we bring it to a new angle. It's going to work for us too. So yeah, that's proof right there. Proof in the pudding right there. But yeah, so y'all no longer gotta stress. I'm made for coaching. I'm made for y'all to help y'all get wins. I'm not here to overcomplicate things, make things hard, over beat people's head and knowledge. I'm not here to do all that. So I'm here to actually put you in a lane where you can see great views coming in. So yeah, so when we scroll down, you can see right here. We scroll down. You see right here. So 300,000 subscribers, 61K views. we want to find channels like less than 100k, pulling great views like this. So it got to be pulling 800k, 200k, 700k, 300k, 400k, and yeah. So that's the only way we could really win. And yeah, like I said, guys, all we just let it do now is do its thing. So I'm also going to tell the AIs to speed it up a bit, but yeah, speed it up a bit. So all we just do is talk to the AI and tell it to speed it up a bit, but yeah. So when it's doing this research process, you could just talk to it and tell it speed it up a bit, and it's going to speed it up a bit, but yeah. So if we go to this one right here, you can see literally. So yeah, so it's going to speed it up a bit, and you can see so 2 million right here. We scroll down. You can see 85,000 views 3 weeks ago. So we look for where it's pulling 800k, 300k, 600k. It can't be stuck under 1k views. It can't be stuck under 2k views. It has to be pulling more than what the channel has never like averaged for real. So for it to be considered a great outlier for us. So yeah, so it also goes to this, and it's basically like pulling through all the smaller channels. Like when you see a channel like this where as like a shitty thumbnail and it's shitty editing, that means that the whole topic idea itself is what's doing the whole thing. So the topic idea is what's doing like all the work for us. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for topic ideas that align with our 1 of 4 pillars, or 1 of 4 title formulas that align with our channel DNA or our channel lane of our channel identity. But yeah. And AI is here to help us. AI is not here to replace you. And yeah, it's not here to do all the editing. You can use it for ideation, like I literally just said, bro. But yeah, you need some human intakes to basically come up with the ideas. But yeah, so you do gotta use your hands and use everything. Yeah, it's not gonna do all the work for you. But yeah, like I said, as long as you got this method though, it's gonna help you out. And yeah, I will look forward to me doing more videos like this in the future. But this is gonna be the finale one of the full ideation method I gave y'all. So if y'all want more videos like this, be sure to drop a like. And the video's not ending yet. I'm gonna wait for it to source the results, source the HTML files, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just refresh this, refresh the screen. And if I was over there, go over to I tried my Ross video over there, like he made videos on David. So he made videos on pedophile David. David, he touched little girls. He's weird. David. All right, so if we go over to Chama Ross, all right, so if we go to Chama Ross, you see 500k subscribers. We go over to here. This is called an outlier, meaning that if he never averaged this many like views. So he only averaged this many views when a topic that is really good. So this is called an outlier, and a topic. Let's go over to it. So let's go to it real quick. So let's go over to his popular. So this right here, 3.7 million. This is really called a topic idea, a great topic idea. So you see right here, if it's pulling more than what the whole channel stuff averages, it's really called a great topic idea. It's great core idea. But yeah, you see 2 years ago, 1.2 million. You see 1 million. You see 1.1 million. You see 1 million. But yeah, so the topic idea itself is really doing it. And yeah, so if you see a channel where it has like literally no hard editing to it, but like it has like a shitty like thumbnail, and I'm not saying Chama Ross's thumbnails are shitty. I just want to show y'all, for example, of what it look like, what a topic idea look like. So what a great topic idea looks like. So 4 years ago like this, whereas 400,000 views 4 years ago, you see right here, so 500,000. He never averaged as many. So yeah, so that's what we call it a great topic idea. There's something really great about this topic that's performing.
Catmull gang, it has been an interesting few days, an interesting few weeks with the endless battle between the Titans, Drizzy Drake and Kanye West. Certified Lover Boy and Donda, the two albums faced off just the longest time. I mean, how long has he been incarcerated? He was sentenced to a whopping 150 to 200 years for a murder in 1970.
Yeah, so y'all see right there. So that's what we call a great topic idea. So yeah, so that's what a great topic idea looks like. So you guys now know. But yeah, so if we go over to here, we zoom this up right here. Let's see what this is about. Alright, so what it's basically doing is it's going through all the smaller channels. It's still finding us like great views, great topic ideas, like with great views, less than 100k subscribers. So it's probably gonna give us 100k subscriber view channels and small channels too. But it's basically pulling through all the YouTube database. So you see that, so YouTube TS right here. It's basically pulling through all the YouTube database, and yeah. So like I said, guys, this tool is really great. It saves hours. It saves you guys hours too. So yeah. So I'm also going to go to over there, and we have ideas. We have ideas like we can really drop heavily like multiple videos on them. But yeah. So if you need more ideas, you just come over and let's repeat it over, and yeah. So like I said, you can use the other way where you just go to search and get keywords, go to find a pills, or you could just use this way is way quicker. But yeah. So it's up to y'all. But me, I'm going to use this way because it's way quicker and it's way easier. So yeah. So I don't know what you guys might use, but I know what I might use. But yeah. So, and I also want to tell. So we're gonna see that your old videos are being pushed. YouTube basically retests all your old videos again. So it gives your old videos another chance, and it starts retesting out more. So more that the channel grows. So that's just how the algorithm works. That's just how YouTube works. But yeah. And remember, you need great topic ideas to stay consistent. And you see right here, so 75% right here, 75.8% AVD, 1 minute right here, 1 minute 21 right here. We got engagement. We want them to stay longer, so we want this to be a bit better, but we can see that the hook basically works. So the hook works. So when you have 4 repeatable hook types, it's easier for you to go back over and over and over and over and over again. So what makes it better though is having a great topic idea. So that's proof that a topic idea is doing good on a small channel. That's proof that it's gonna work for us. So if we bring it to a new angle, and you can use one of, yeah. So what AI does is it uses a few of these keywords, the most important parts, but it uses like the topic, it does psychology, like the psychology of the topic. It was getting clicks, but it brings it to a new angle. So AI is really good at that. So you see 600,000 subscribers. You see 800K right here. 1 more to go, but yeah. So this is on the line with our niche. This aligns with our niche, so AI exactly knows. Well, like aligns with our niche. So you see 200,000 views 4 weeks ago. And you see right here, yeah. So we want to see small channels basically pulling in views what they never pulled in before. So, and it's going to go through it. It's searching through it. We just let it do its thing. Yeah. We just let it do its thing, yeah. So don't overstress, chat. This is the opportunity right here. This is way better than you manually have to do this. So this is way better than you manually have to just go through these keywords. Let me show you. It's better than you having to go through these keywords. Keywords like this, searching through YouTube manually. So instead of you having to go through keywords, getting a headache, getting tired out, getting burnt out, we just use this whole tool right here. All you gotta do is give it this prompt. And this prompt will be in the description. This prompt right here. So this prompt right here will be in the description. All you just do is give it a prompt in your channel DNA, in your pillars, and it search automatically through the keywords on YouTube, and it knows exactly what keywords align with your one for pillars. So AI is really smart. So you see right here. So if we go to this right here, if we take this out, let me see. So if we delete that, exit. Let's go to forgettable votes. Let's copy this. So and audience find your videos through keywords. So if we go to search, they find literally your source through keywords. So yeah, so they find your source through keywords. That's why consistency is key. So instead of us having to mainly go through these keywords like this to try to find out if a topic's doing good, we have this tool over here and it's basically doing all this for us. So it's saving us hours of us mainly having to go through keywords, keep asking for more. It's doing all of it for us. So yeah, so that's what the tool is basically doing, and it's trying to help us out. So when you're running a lot of Faceless channels, it's good at that speed. So this method is good, the user's method, and yeah. So yeah. All right. So if we go over to this right here, you see 20. We ignore that. We want to look for where, and like I said, that tool basically it does it quick for us. So instead of us having to fuck up, it knows the right way. It knows the right way to do it. AI is trained. Yeah. All right, so this right here is what we call something that's performing well. So yeah, so we don't want to replicate this. We want to replicate the 500 views. It's not doing too good on a smaller channel. So yeah, so we will when and the AI tool is really good at that. It's really good at that. But yeah, it's looking for 100K plus views, 100K plus views or more. It gotta have 100K views like this. 100K views right here 2 weeks ago. This would be considered a great idea, right? Like this right here would be considered a great top idea what people are searching for. So also, if you guys wanted to also make things a bit better. So if you guys want to know like the importance part of the title, like what's that important thing of the title that's making that video like really pop off. So if you go over to view channel, if you go to view channel right here, if you go to view channel, I'm gonna show y'all some. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all, if y'all go over to my video right here, I'm gonna show you my video. Alright, so I'm gonna show you proof how to know if it's anything to do in the title I made a vow. So what you will basically do is you scroll down, and you'll go to this keyword. So the keyword you'll go to is let's scroll down. Let's just scroll down. Alright, so the keyword you'll go to is alright, so alright, so the keyword, and like I said, the consistency is key. So if you want to make a 4-2 on YouTube, having consistency is key. So yeah, and I showed you guys how to create unlimited accounts over there. So yeah, so you're good. Alright, so I want to show you some. So let me just zoom out real quick. Good, man is ready to zoom out. And I made hella coaching videos for y'all. Hella coaching videos. Alright, so let's go over. Alright, so how to extract your competitor's core idea. How to store your competitor's core idea. How to analyze your channel DNA. How to improve your core idea. How to understand what core ideas is behind the title. Alright, so yeah, so let's open it up. So let's scroll up. How to create your own. Alright, let's open this one up. Alright, so how to understand your core idea. I think this was the video. Let's mute it. Not chat. So if you guys want to. Alright, so this is the video. Yep, this is the video. So what you guys do is basically come over here to this description right here. And what you'll do is you'll go over to my description. And what I like to do is just go over like to this prompt right here. So this prompt is how we will know if there's anything to do like in the title that made the video pop. So for this competitor's video right here, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you could just go to a simple new, plain new ChatGPT chat. So yeah, so you just go to this right here, everything right here. So you're gonna come over to this prompt. You're just gonna copy and paste everything right here from the screen. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is copy it. I'm gonna just come over to a brand new ChatGPT chat. A brand new ChatGPT chat that's easier for y'all. So what y'all gonna do is go to here. All we're just gonna do is paste a prompt here, and you could talk to a ChatGPT like a normal person. So it is fine. If you guys want to, go ahead. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just copy this right here. Copy this, and you see that this is 100 times, outright 100 times more than what the whole channel self averages, meaning that as we're looking for. So we see proof that it's doing well on the small channel, but we need to see proof that like the important keywords part right here. So I'm gonna go to this right here, and what I'm gonna do is talk to it real quick. Alright, so I want you to use my prompt and point me out the example of this competitor's title. The competitor's title at the starting right where I just pasted. So discovery, that's the competitor's title. Point me out the most important keyword that made this video viral. Alright, so we just give it this prompt. We'll give it this right here. So we give it this right here. So we tell this, you see, divorce. We see right here, so using your competitor title sandwich right here, competitor's title where divorce, competitor's title sandwich breakdown, so red zones, topic, bear, ignore this. So we really made a pop buzz. We can see, so the green zone meet right here bottom. We really made a pop buzz this. So what I'm basically going to have it do is the single most important keyword. So this right here is what made a pop. Alright, so highlight, put in green like a green dot with like all the keywords from the competitor's title of what made the video really go viral. Alright, so what it's going to do is highlight the keywords so easy right here. So what really made the video go viral was, here's the competitor's title right here. You see the competitor's title was this divorce. So you see green dot right here, breakdown. So you see dead, da. So you see, so we scroll down again. So you see hidden, dead. But yeah, so these are the most important parts of what made it go viral. So you see each keyword creates another unanswered questions or hidden what, it did to what, inside, wider, and a forgotten thing. How could the entire form be forgotten? So yeah, so like I said, this is what this prompt is basically for, and this prompt gets things done. So like I said, I'm gonna also just refresh this. I'm gonna get y'all access to it again. So if you guys want to manually go through and you like it, I could get y'all access to it again. I'm gonna say to find out what made the title viral. I say yes, viral. I say yes. So to find out yeah. So guys, this prompt will be in the, I'm gonna put on, so we'll make the title viral. Alright, so this prompt will be over here where you guys go in and check it out. So you go to file, you go to, so if you want to know what made basically the competitor's title viral, this prompt will be right there. So that way y'all can just go through and check it out. So yeah, it's gonna be on this link right here. So if you go to this right here, you go to rename, you just type it in. You type in S is HTML ideation for sauce. You go to search right here. You go to search on my drive. Once you click the drive link, you go to folder and it's right there. So you open this up and it's right there. Boom, boom. All right, guys. So yeah, so you guys basically got it. So that's basically how you find out like why the title was so good and what like made it viral. So, and I'm also gonna basically paste this here for y'all, the competitor's title. So guys, this is way easier, bro. Man, this is the real strategy you want to do if you want to get those great views. Cause like I said, all those competitors are hitting millions of views, bro. We catching up to y'all ass, bro. I got your whole fucking blueprint. I got your whole method. The whole blueprint, my boy. The whole fucking blueprint. So don't think, oh, everything is nigga. Fuck you, bitch. Yeah, I got your whole method, nigga. Yeah. We taking wins over here. It train, but yeah, things are browsers, but yeah. So we're gonna share. We're gonna enter. We're gonna download docx. We put bases here and yeah. Go ahead and check it out. Enjoy it and yeah. So we're just gonna wait for this to finish up. And guys, the ChatGPT link is also right here. So if you want to go through manually like view it, You can just open it up. So you just go to right here. You open it up right here. You click it, and what it's gonna do is it'll take you here, and you got my whole access to my whole ChatGPT chat of me just chatting with ChatGPT. So yeah, so guys, it's way easier, bro. Go ahead and check it out. So easy right here, the whole ChatGPT chat where you can see it. But yeah, so, and I'm also going to make sure that you could basically view it right here. So yeah, you can go ahead and view it. I'm gonna also make sure that I share this with you guys, so where you guys can check it out. But go ahead and check it out if you really need to. But yeah, I'm also gonna make sure I share that. Alright, so I'm also gonna do is go to file, download. Alright, so you see right here, more 200,000 views, and yeah, so that's what we're looking for. So yeah, you see right here, what's blowing up this channel right here is the core ideas. The topic ideas was doing it. So you need to have great topic ideas. If your topic idea is not good, your video won't be good. It don't matter how hard your edit is. If the video has a weak topic idea, but the video's not going nowhere. The video's not going nowhere. So for my main channel, y'all probably asking, oh, why are you getting low views, bro? And you can't coach it. I don't care about these coaching videos. Coaching videos, these are for y'all. These methods are for y'all. These methods are stand up lifetime on the channel. These are going to be up for almost eight plus years. These aren't going nowhere, bro. So these aren't going nowhere. All these guru videos I'm making, these are here to stay. I'm not taking any of this shit down. I'm not removing it off the channel. These are stand up forever. So I might go back and update some of my thumbnails, here and there, but me mainly deleting it, nah. I'm not deleting none of my coaching channel. This is my coaching channel where I coach at. Me going through and deleting shit, why am I deleting shit, bro? There's no point. This is my coaching channel. I smoothly look forward to at least hitting over 1,000 streams soon with y'all, bro. Chat, I also look forward to hitting at least over 1,000 streams with y'all soon. So we're at 654. I want to get to 1,000. And I also look forward to at least making, my goal is at least do 1,000 of these coaching videos in long form and live stream. So I don't do shorts on this channel no more. I don't do shorts. I grew this channel right here as proof that my methods actually do work. I grew this channel to at least 18.9 million views, so my methods do work. So at least I'm getting views. At least I know what I'm doing. I mean, on the coaching videos now because I switched over, but on the shorts, yeah. And that's what I showed you. I showed you how to get niches, how to go into niches, how to go into niches where you're proven to actually start to go viral at. That's what I coach and teach y'all. So if we go over there, right here, all my old videos starting to gain views, my coaching videos. So the more I'm staying consistent, what YouTube starts to do is it starts to like test out my videos more. So you see, it starts to test my videos more, and yeah, it gives like another chance. So you see, 48 of the views to 130 more. That means that my hope got to be a bit better. We want to better average percentage view and better AVD. So yeah, so we want to try to get them to stay on a bit longer. But yeah, so you can see reach was at least, and the goal is to stay consistent, chat. If you're not consistent, man, you're not going to see you having great views coming in. The goal is not always go viral. The goal is to have a great topic idea. And on this coaching channel over here, my goal is not for y'all to have a great top. My goal is to coach y'all and give y'all these ways for y'all to grow. So as well, I'm a coach. I know I'm a coach. A strategist knows exactly what he's doing. So you see 10% CTR 2.5K. If you go to Google right here, and I'm working with YouTube employees. I'm actually gonna after I'm done recording this, I'm actually gonna go to live chat. I'm gonna hit up a YouTube employee so I could look. I'm hit up a Google employee so they could look into it. Actually put me a knowledge panel on Google like they got Ramiro. So and the only person who could really do that is an employee at Google. Employee at Google, somebody that's working at Google. So like I said, I'm gonna smoothly look forward to me actually getting into contact with a Google employee to actually get me a knowledge panel set up. A knowledge panel set up because I'm widely known, and you notice Ramiro, me and Ramiro's in the same lane. You see, notice how Ramiro has a knowledge panel right here. He has a knowledge panel. So if you go to Outrun Therese, I just have the overview. So I smoothly got to work with YouTube employees to get this set up. But yeah, so if we go over the overview, you can see my AI overview right here. So AI overview, Outrun Therese, digital creator, YouTube automation strategist and streamer from Pittsburgh. He focuses on building Faceless channels, growth strategies right here on content. You see right here, so creator focus on YouTube automation right here, teaching people how to build and scale Faceless channels right here. Streaming and strategy right here, sharing insights and on audience growth and content ideas. So you see background, former art designer turned into online strategist. So yeah, so you can see right here, so we can scroll down. You see you can check this out if you directly want to learn more about my channel. So yeah, so I'm smoothly going to have where YouTube, where go to and put a knowledge panel for me. So yeah, like I said, guys, we're all getting wins. I want you guys to get wins and your ideas really do. So this video right here, when I post it, it will be up on the channel lifetime and stand up forever. So yeah. Don't get in no fights. Don't fight with nobody, chat. It's not worth it. Alright? Old days, yeah. I used to get in fights thinking it was crazy. I don't do all that shit no more. All that chaos shit. I don't got time for that shit. It's a waste of time. You don't get no money from it. You don't get nothing from it. Probably somewhere put in jail. Not cool at all. Alright, so we can see if my video is being sent to the right audience. So if we start seeing marketing and like how to grow videos right here, that means that the video is starting to be sent to the right audience. So you see, we see right here. So we see this right here. So it's also how you check too, how to know if your video is being sent to the right people. So where YouTube was basically like test seeing it, like it was basically showing it to, and then start sending it to the right group. So it sees like it doesn't see how the smaller group, like a smaller chest face group does with it, and then if they don't do too good, it stops pushing it. So if they do good, it keeps pushing it more and more and more. So YouTube sees and resonates. You see like how the small C group. So when you go to post, it sees like how the small phase group, how they are they watching longer, are they liking, are they commenting? It sees all that. So if they're liking and comment, what YouTube is going to do is it's going to take notes on the AVD and start pushing your video out more. I saw videos go from being at 30K views, at least to going up to 100K. So I learned it from learning the phase. This wasn't overnight knowledge success. So we go to right here, editors. You can see that the editor video right here, Google video is popping up right under my video, right under my how to try to BT video. Google video is where you're popping up. So I'm on so adjusted, which is crazy, but yeah. So you don't need to do hard editing. This guy right here is probably a guru.
Hundreds of dollars a day, uploading clips.
Yeah, he's a guru.
You'd be watching.
He's a guru. I'm not going to get some because he's a guru. You know, gurus like to overcomplicate shit. Overcomplicate shit, and yeah. I mean, keep doing your editing shit, bro. It works probably fire, but you're a guru. We take it as like a guru. Yeah, this guy's a guru. Yeah, Chad, you don't gotta do hard editing like that. You could ignore that video, but yeah, he's a guru. I mean, yeah. So that's what YouTube does. It tests phase your video like to a random group until it works it up to the right people. So that's why YouTube works. So when you don't see every video goes right, it's not gonna go right the way you want it. There's levels to this. It phases. So yeah, your video gotta go through phases. So it sees how like the smaller C group is staying and like how they're engaging with it. If they're not staying longer, YouTube's not gonna push it, and yeah. So over time, it could get retested as more of the channel like you post more. But yeah, it's just how the algorithm works, and there's nothing you can really do about it. All you can really just do is improve each idea and stay more consistent. Like for my main channel, I smoothly look forward to me doing at least 1,000 coaching videos. 1,000 coaching videos in streams and 1,000 coaching videos in long form. I'm no longer doing shorts on my channel. And I don't care about these little views. Like I said, guys, this is my coaching channel, bro. My coaching channel. I'm not doing it all for views and clout. I'm showing you guys ways to get the views when you do Faceless channels. I'm showing you guys how the algorithm basically works. Y'all like my students. My students like my students. I don't sell a course though. I treat y'all like my students. Like let's say if I was a teacher teaching a class, I treat y'all like my students. I know how to make a viewer feel apart. Alright, so we go to this right here. Alright, so we scroll down. So now I also want to show you guys something too. That Devin Saniff over here does the same thing. So if we go to Devin Saniff, so yeah. So Jack Cole, you don't gotta worry about doing all that crazy editing. Fuck that guy. That guy's he overcomplicates shit. So that means if you want to learn editing, you could learn from his channel. But me, I'm not overcomplicating no shit, bro. But yeah. So Devin Saniff over here, I already got other niches I gotta do. We're working 24/7. If you want to hire editors, it's cool. So you can see Devin Saniff. No fancy thumbnail was put on this video. No fancy thumbnail was put on this video, so we're gonna open it up. You can literally just see. Let's go back. Hold on, let's go back. He told y'all how to iterate and how to. He didn't actually show the ideation part like I showed y'all just now. So I just gave y'all a full 1 hour course, and I'm posting this on my main channel on how to use it with browser use, and I will use it like when I'm doing my hidden assets channel. And you want to make sure that you're saying. You want to make sure that your script is saying a title for the first 30 words of the hook, so that way you go viral. That's what helped the video stand out more too.
Pretty consistent, as you can see here, for the past near.
Go me some drink, Oliver.
Right, so this is one of the largest.
I was talking to my cousin. Sorry.
Ranking channels that we've worked with in the world right now, and you can see how exponential the growth has been over the past 6 months. You can see how the subscribers have gone up.
So
an insane amount. We actually just
you gonna see it. 71 million is crazy. Devin Sanders inspired me to keep coaching. So you guys thought, oh, he has a course? No, he actually has a community. But I'm not launching no courses. I'm not launching no communities, bro. I don't have.
Your content is probably getting inconsistent views. One day it's up, and the next day you're stuck.
I don't have time to really sit down and coach y'all like a guru. I have time to actually just give y'all these videos and you take it and go. If you use it, use it. If you don't, you don't. It's up to y'all. It's hard enough that I gotta come up here and do these videos, and my boy even came to me and told me this is what he said today. He says, "Yo, let me show y'all." He says, "Yo, bro, but I'm asking. I want to do a 6." He said, "You need help editing the long form, but I see that you're getting tired at the workload." He says, "I see you're getting tired a lot at the workload. Like no one helps you, which is bad." And he came to me and told me that. He said, "No one helps you, which is bad." So yeah, and no one's really supposed to really help you in this game. I'm really here by myself, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go to this, and we're just gonna wait for this to like upload, and yeah. So we're still doing is pulling us ideas, and yeah. And like I said, it could take long depending on how many IDs you tell AI to pull, but yeah. So let's see if it pulled enough. Alright, so we could also ask you that. We don't want it to take all day for this tool, but yeah. So P3 is flawed with zero view AI channels are useful, negative signals, verifying the remaining. I say so they didn't collect and write completed. So compiling and scoring. So yeah, so like I said, I don't want this to be all day with y'all, and this video is already 1 hour long. This is the full course. It's going up on my main channel and stand up. Yeah, so it's going up and it's stand up. And I told you in lifetime, you only get a few opportunities. You want to really take opportunities for granted. You don't want to sit, joke around, laugh. You really want to take your business serious. So, yeah. And I'm also going to use the same shit I just gave y'all, literally for the tennis channel. So, for the tennis channel, literally over there. So, this channel, like I said, AI fishing channels are autopilot. You don't, when you go to post on the channel chat, and I want to tell, so you see right here, 128 views 3 days ago. When you post on the channel, and I changed the thumbnail. So, when you post on the channel, look, listen, chat. When you post on the channel, you no longer going to show your face. All you have to do is look for great top ideas, and you use the strategy I just gave y'all, bro. Don't make shit hard. I want to see y'all win. I really want to see one of y'all make it. Hey, if y'all get 100,000 subscribers for my method, show me a screenshot, I'll reply to them, and yeah. I want you to show me like my boy showed me over here. And y'all know, bro. And what makes me proud enough, and yeah, what makes me proud is I'm happy to see some of y'all win. So my boy over here, Pablo, I don't know, Pictures, I always say his name, Pictures, my boy. He in front of me, but you know, sometimes people get egos when they start getting clout. You know I don't know why you get, but we don't fight with them. At the end of the days, he's my bros. He's still a mod on my stream. I'm not against him, and yeah. So you know how they get though. But yeah, everybody got their own mood thing. Just like a bitch. When you live with a bitch, she gonna leave you and she gonna leave you for the next nigga. Then when she get with the next person, she gonna start acting shady, cut you off, start acting different. We all know how people work, chat. So we all know how people do, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go through this right here. I'm gonna scroll up. So I'm gonna show y'all that. I want to show y'all something real quick. So I'm gonna go to files, attachments, photos. I want to show y'all these images. So I want to show y'all these images from when he basically hit this 100K. So I'm gonna sort by filter. Filter this by with Pinterest. Apply filters. All right, so I'm gonna show you all the now results with the filters. I sort this by oldest. Oldest over here. So you guys can see it right here. So 66,000 views. You see right here. So 6 most distributions in abandoned places. So you see right here. He was basically using AI for these thumbnails. Or you can use ChatGPT too. You see right here. 23.25. So you see 11.23. 91,000 views. You see first 7 days right here. 100 views. First 7 days. October 23rd. 1 a.m. It started from low views and then it went up to 100K. So hard work really pay off. And yeah, you see, so you post twice per day, definitely yes. It won't carry momentum. It increases the number of tests to run per week, which speeds up the discovery and hooks and formats that scale. So the only way it will hurt you is if your quality drops. So if both videos maintain a strong 1 or 2 second hook and 85% to 100% watch time right here, a clear payoff, a clickable CTA. But yeah, so as long as you guys are improving each hook in each video, you're good. You don't need no hard editing. And yeah, so you see right here, you monetize. You see right here, earn on YouTube, done, and yeah, in progress. So yeah, so you can see right here, you monetize it. So you listen to all my knowledge. This is what he's using Gemini. So you see he's using Gemini right here. You listen to all my knowledge, you're gonna make it far. If you don't, and these videos stand up, then I don't know. I'm not no fucking guru, and y'all probably think, oh, bro, he's up here. I'm not no fucking guru. I'm not a guru. I'm gonna show you the difference between the guru and my videos. Callaway, this is what you call a guru. He don't show you stuff what you want to learn. He show you bullshit. Bullshit, like, bro, people aren't trying to make personality-based channels, bro. People want to make AI channels. These days, they see AI channels getting a lot, bro. People don't want to make that personality-based shit, bro. Like, I don't have a good personality my fucking self. I hate talking. But I like coaching, though. It's cool. I like coaching for y'all. I don't like talk to most people in my family, but yeah. So, you see right here, you basically told it these prompts. I'm making a YouTube channel. 6 most.
Today, I quit my job to go full-time as an entrepreneur. And I really only had one goal. I wanted to become insanely good at making content.
This guy right here is a guru. He's a guru. He's a guru, and yeah. So you see right here. So he's really not going to show you like my screen like I show y'all over there. And yeah, like I said, gurus will always be gurus. There's nothing you could do about an online guru.
This video, don't worry. Next week we'll be back with another tactical banger. If you did like this video,
I'm not talking shit about him or being weird. I mean, guru's gonna always continue to be a guru.
Offer or product or service that you sell, and number that fit these conditions.
They overcomplicate shit. And yeah, so you can see Pinterest over here. He got a 100K subscribers, so 100,000 subscriber flat. So yeah, so guys, we're getting wins over here. I'm not a guru, and I'm never gonna sell our course. So I want you guys to actually show me a plat like this if y'all get it. So throughout the months, if you're still watching my videos, show me a plat. Just show me a plat. Show me a plat. Show me that you grind and you gain it. Because Pinterest, he used some strategies for my stream. So some of my streams basically been helping him. And yeah, so also, it's cool with the YouTuber called Arm Stories. Arm Stories over here, the military channel I hit over, let me show y'all. So you really want to get surrounded around people who's actually getting wins. So when you're around coaches who has nothing they're talking about and know nothing they're talking about, bro, you're not going to be winning. You want to get surrounded around people who actually knows what the fuck they're talking about. Arm Stories right here, you see 800K subscribers. And you see over, if we go to show more, 1 billion. 1 billion right here, 1 billion views. We go to search over 457 videos, and these are all clips that he basically stole, but he used ChatGPT to do the ideation to it. So the top of that is what made him viral. So if we go over to here, we scroll down, you can see we open this up, 24 million views, 42 views per hour 2 years ago. The top of that is what made this video viral.
The 3 countries that are impossible to invade. The first will surprise you. At number 3, China. In recent years, China has
So, like I said, that's where I basically teach y'all, and yeah, I coach to y'all, and yeah, so you see right here, so my boy knows his armed stories there. So if we go to, up to the beginning of when I first started this channel, let's go to the beginning. Alright, so I would never say I know course, and hard editing is not really needed. No more. So yeah, so no more on YouTube. So yeah. Alright, so you guys see right here, this is where this hidden assist channel and assist channel started at. But yeah, so it's gonna be way bigger because I know what I'm doing now. All I just need is great topic ideas, and we're using this browse use method. Browse use basically saved us. So yeah. So it's now done. We're now done. We open this up, and hold up, before we get to it, my bad, chat. Apologize. But you can see right here that Max right here, he was scamming he was scamming, and he was trying to sell our course for $400. I'm never gonna forget this shit. Bro, you try to scam my peoples. And then you see right here, you try to scam my peoples. You thought I was gonna forget about it. You see, Max Montes is in quote $400 just from the he was charging you coaching. Max, you see right here, Money Boy Max. So I would never trust you, bro. You try to get it over on my people. He said, hell no. He says, you see what he said? Hell no, I'll never buy that shit. Even if I told him, I'll leak that motherfucker. You see, I'll leak that motherfucker. You see, so yeah. So Max is scamming. Don't buy no course. I'm never gonna forget what he did. And if we scroll up right here, so you can see what Pinterest basically said. So you see, Arm Stories is my friend left, and I know that guy. So y'all want to get cool with YouTubers, and I think the algorithm is doing us a favor too. So when the algorithm basically pushes my videos, it's pushing it to the right people who knows other YouTubers of what I know. Because when I started doing the military stuff, it started pushing it to Pinterest, and he knows Arm Stories. So he knows Arm Stories. He says Arm Stories is my friend left. I know that guy. So he's from, or else at least he's. So Arm Stories he's a white guy, but yeah. So he knows that guy, and you see right here, this is my Twitter tweet. I said, bro, but yeah, that's competitors that I look at for ideas to make viral videos. But yeah, so this is evergreen niche right here. But yeah, so we gotta scroll over. You can see right here, this is my old Twitter tweets right here. So you see me and Ramiro came in far in this YouTube when I'm missing game, and yeah. So and Ramiro's like my brother. He's cool people. Him and St. Hummus. We came a long fucking way, bro. But yeah, and the Guru's gonna continue to hate us. But you see right here where I started this channel from nowhere. I started this channel Combat Man from nowhere. And I was in your face to do it. Nowhere. You see, it's still at 1 subscriber, and now subscribers don't matter, but yeah. So that just goes to show y'all really lock in. So and also, if you guys been having strikes in the future, I'm gonna show you how to appeal it and how to really do it. And yeah, YouTube is gonna allow me to use I told YouTube that I don't want to use my personal address. I want to use like a free address online. So when I do a video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. But and they said it's cool. Because I don't want to get leaked or swatted, and I don't want nothing to really happen online. Because you know there's terrifying people. I'm scared of some people online. They're horrible. Like scared of my health. I don't want to die early or get hurt. But yeah. So there's a lot of crazy people in this world. But yeah. So I watch what I post online, and I watch what I do online. But yeah, I'm respectful to people. Some days I have bad days, and I try to better it. But I said going to blow up this channel in 30 to 90 days consistently is how you do it. And my main PC's in the shop, but consistency is how you get far. And improving each hook. So the only way to improve the swipe through rate is improving each hook. So yeah, this is literally from last year. So I'm gonna show all the screenshots if y'all want to see it, read it. But yeah, I'm gonna zoom up and show y'all. So I'm gonna go do that right there. I'm gonna zoom out that one so y'all can see that. So if y'all want to read it on the screen, gurus can't stop it. And yeah, so like I said, gurus gonna always be gurus, bro. And yeah, so I'll leak I'll leak my niece from blowing up in 30 to 90 days. So yeah, so I use literally Gemini. You can use Gemini ChatGPT. So Arm Stories right here. So if y'all really want the truth about how Arm Stories is coming up with these consistent ideas, my boy over there has connections to him right here, Pinterest. He said he use ChatGPT. So if you scroll up, this is probably ChatGPT. So you see, so I said, does Arm Stories right here use ChatGPT for scripts? Bro, I wonder how is he coming up with these good ideas. Probably ChatGPT is good for coming up with ideas. So he's using ChatGPT mostly, 100%. And he's probably using Cardi now, but yeah.
Undergone a crazy military makeover. Now they have the world's biggest standing army.
So I'm gonna go through this right here. Small channels beating big channels right here and topics doing it. So you see right here, we scroll down. You basically see that. You can see right here. So we have this right here. We go to this video. You see that 10 rusty tools in a garage worth thousands of never sell these. So you see right here, we have this channel. You have this channel size. So you can see right here, we have the channel size. We have the subs. We have the viewers. We have the uploaded 21st July 226 days ago. So you see views per day, 16 views per day. Breakout, we go to video, and yeah. So enjoy it. And like I said, I'm not here to I just gave out a whole. And sorry if the videos, and the good part is the videos stand up lifetime. So don't think about me deleting it. If the video's too long, keep rewinding it. Keep replaying it. Y'all need a video. So you see, 100,000 views. And we see on a small channel, we go to 100,000 views. We're looking for it. So you see, 2 videos right here. We go to more, and you see right here, you just had an outlier. So we call this an outlier, and this is what we're looking for. So we're looking for performing outlier just like that. But yeah, so that's really how you win. And I'm also going to go ahead.
Almost threw it in the trash. That rusty wrench sitting in your garage. Someone just sold one exactly like it for $1,100.
And I'm not cloud chasing. I just know I did this so many times. I know how the game works now. So and when I know how the game works now. But yeah, so we go to place this here. You use your one script structure, your hooks. You use your 1 of 4 hook types. Your stories change. Your wordings change. A great topic idea was save us though. So you see, we have C proof that is working on a small channel. So we go over to views. We can basically go to views, and we go over to first 24 hours. We can see first 24 hours where you start at. So we see right here. So we go to first 2 hours, 35 views. We go up. 22 hours to 100 views. We go to first 7 days. Sometimes it'll me sometime, like I told y'all. 100,000 views 5 days. So, guys, focus more on the topic idea. Do not focus on the subscriber count. One viral video long form can bring you 1K subscribers. One viral topic idea. So, your topic idea matters the most. And this method is going to save y'all. Don't thank me, thank God, and thank Browse Use for allowing me to come up here. One day, I'm going to try to see if I can hook up with the Browse admins, Browse Use admins, and try to meet them in real life. Because they changed our life, bro. They changed our life. They helped me out a lot. Thank them a lot. Don't thank me, thank Browse Use. This tool is really great. This tool is great for you to use. Great for YouTubers like you to use. So you see right, your angle, it brings us a new title. Most people know of rusty old tools until they learn. So you see right here, it gives us a title idea for a new angle. So you see, it also tells the pillar that they use. We only have 1 of 4 permit pillars. We have 1 of 4 title formulas. You see, I use this formula 1. I use hook types 1. So you see, most people ignore. All right, chat. Go ahead and enjoy it, bro. Like I said, you're never gonna see more videos like this on YouTube. And yeah, so. Like I said, every other guru overcomplicates shit, but I'm out. So you see right here, so proven small channels right here, under 100K right here. But yeah, so like I said, channels. Yeah, so like I said, this is way easier, bro. I'm gonna have it basically fill this. So it's just gonna go through and update the HTML. So it's going to basically go through the HTML, update it. It's going to update it with more channels basically found. So we want to go to outputs, and we want to click this right here. So I can also click download. So if you guys want the link right here, the link will be in the description. So where you guys can check it out at. So yeah, so the link will be in the description where you can check it out at. And there's no view button or all organic. When you have a great topic idea, a topic idea will carry the whole video. If your editing's trash, the topic idea is what saved it. A topic idea is what carries it. So there's no view button needed. Fuck view button. Once you have your channel identity, you don't need that shit. You don't need that shit. You just need great topic ideas. So yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna use the same way for my tennis channel. That's how we gonna get wins. And if you guys like this way, be sure to go ahead and drop it. And I'm also tell it to put the. I'm gonna say update more. It updated more and it did great on the HTML. So we need it just like this, where you can see where a channel with over 1K subscribers got 99K views within 6 days. That is a 69 times breakout. The single strongest signal the entire database. The channel has almost no subscribers, no history, no production budget right here. But yeah, so this is exactly proof that you are not competing against subscriber counts. You are competing against topic selection. So your topic ideas really matters. So whatever your topic idea is like what you're talking about. So your topic idea is what you're talking about and like what's basically in the title. So yeah. If your topic idea is bad, your video is bad. So you see, if we go to search, most people ignore rusty old tools. You can see right here, so 100,000 views right here. Average subscribers 3.2K. Average age 20 days ago. You see average views 7.4K. So you can see we go to search, 200,000 right here, 100,000, 20K. So yeah, so you want to really do well on topic idea selection. So y'all gonna thank me, bro, after this video. This video stand up forever on the channel. I'm not taking it down. Coaches ask me, oh bro, you're dropping too much videos. Oh, you're dropping too much sauce. I'm good, bro. Cause guess what? I'm working hard. You gotta work hard to get to where you want to get to in life. You just it just don't come off the sake of you gotta actually put in work. I always heard the saying: the ones who work hard will be the ones who get far. The ones who keep going will be the ones who will make it even far in life with YouTube. So yeah, so you gotta work hard. So you see, we see multiple smaller channels winning too, and it's cluster. So you see right here, 17.9K, 63 million views, 17.9K subscribers. That's proof that it's working. Proof that the topic ideas was doing all the work. So yeah, so we open it up real quick. All right, I'm out. 63 million views. 1.3 million likes. You see 7.9K. I'm out. Go ahead and enjoy it. There's no ifs, ands, buts about it. I got y'all right with the sauce. All you just need is a great topic idea. If you know your channel DNA, use browsers and use the same way I just gave y'all. I'm out. The video's ending. The HTML links will be left in. Also, go over there. Go over there right now. It'll be left in this right here. So all you just do is go to download. And if you want to view it, you go to download right here. You'll view it. What you're then going to do is drag it here. You're going to drag it there. That way you can basically read through it. So you can read through it like this. You can read through it like that. But yeah. So you can see right here, you can read through it. And yeah. So this is really how you get wins. And like I said, guys, I'm not really over here to complicate shit or make things hard for y'all. Every keyword I search right here. So you see, we just go to do that. And yeah, you see, so pillars 3 right here, the loss. So you see, so avoid, verify, saturation right here. Pillars 3. War 2 traders right here. So yeah, you see, so it basically has 6 views, 3 views, 2 views, 3 views, 52 views. So it went to search. It gathers all this data right here. So you see, it brought it also to new angles. So it brought it also to new angles. Full rank and quality videos right here. So you see, we can see 99,000 views. Average age. And 6 days ago, you see right here, 69 times breakout. So you see pillar 1. So yeah, so like I said, these align with our pillars, and you can see that we have transformed our ideas. So we go over there. So 10 ideas for your first few videos. But yeah, so guys, I'm out. And this is what you guys want to use. So right here for the script, is what we just do is we copy the script over to Gemini, and we just give it Gemini basically our title, and it's gonna make us a script. So yeah, so like I said, I'm out. I don't know what more do I want. Don't overcomplicate things. I'm not trying to make things hard for y'all, bro. I want all y'all to win. I'm rooting for y'all. I'm wrong for y'all, but yeah, the stream is not. I wish I could basically share this link. So, and I'm going to talk to the browsers owners. I'm going to get in DMs with them once the video in. Once the video in, I'm going to DM them. I'm going to DM them, see what's about. See if they could actually have a future where we can save our chats and basically share like ChatGPT. So, yeah. So, I'm going to get in contact with the admins. Don't worry about that chat. But, yeah. I'm going to get in contact with the admins right after this video. But, yeah. But, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro. This is how you come up with good topic ideas. Nothing's really hard. And like I said, don't overcomplicate. Don't make things hard. I'm out. And, yeah. I'm actually now in it. So, everything's sold up. Once it's done loading, all this right here will be on this link. So, where you can check it, just check it out at. All this right here will be on this link right here. We can smoothly check it out. It'll be on the Google Drive link. So everything over all this right here will literally be all over here. So where you could go ahead and check it out at. So all you just do is go back over there. It'll be all over on this link. So you just download it and you open it up right there. And you can view it. So yeah. So all my HTML links is on the Google Drive link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. I'm done with this. And yeah, I want you to win. And I'm also going to show you how proof photo it up. So you can see right. So proven is proven right here. Proof and a new angle. So you see, we took the idea. So your secret safe found under floors, opening up. So you see subscriber count 32K. You see the data was uploaded. You see highest views 100K. So average age 38 days. So we want to look for that. It's not over 6 months. And it's important that's not over 6 months. So you can see proof over 1 month. So we go over here. You see new angle. Nobody expected fatness safe underscore. So you know that the top idea is really doing this. So we use our 1 of 4 pyramid pairs and our 1 of 4 title formats. And yeah, so you see right here, pairs of these 9 pair keywords. So this is what it search. And yeah, so this is pair 3 is with a voice. So lane is flooded with ditch AI channel. So searching through War 2, this is filtered to this over this month. Return with brand new channels, all publishing in the same script with almost no views. And yeah, so you want to make sure that you're using new information. You're having new script words. You're not using the same exact script words that everyone else is using. So you get better your chance of going viral. Your script plays a big factor. So yeah, so I'm out, and it's all gonna be in the description. Just check it out, please. I'm out though. And I want all you guys